Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, 2019 GL. 2019 GL, we have a problem with okay. With gauge sending unit. Still I have it's not ready. You see, like it show like empty. I have a check engine light on. So let's see what we can do. History. GL 250. If you want to do diagnose, control unit, drive ACM. Trouble code. Fuel pressure sensor, boost pressure turbocharger, rear wheel speed sensor fault, fuel pressure in the system during the restart procedures. Fuel level sensor, fuel on the right side has malfunction. They are stored. Escape code.
Because they throw them in the garbage.
Okay, erase fault. Yes. Escape. No codes. You see now it's showing almost how many miles left. Before it finished, it's update the mileage. How many miles it taking? 255,000 miles. Active brake function limited. Okay, service B view. So I'm gonna try to do that one also. Service function is an engine computer. Special function. No. Special procedures. No. And a starter after accident maybe. Go back. Go back. That function. DMS. What is DMS? I don't know. So let me see. No, that's not what we look for. You see, after I initialize it, but we have, you see now, 260 mile left. You can go with here. I need to fix this. I don't know, this one, leave it out. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what is it for, but I believe there is a maintenance reset, or you can do it from here after you do the reset. I don't need this one here. Maybe only oil reset. Yeah, it's here. Okay. Okay, manual oil reset, auto oil reset. I'm gonna leave the ignition on off. Okay, minus 122 days. You see, day until next is 200 days until next minus. Continue. Now is changed to service overdue by 365 days. Here also change to 3. See here, before is minus 200 something. I have to reset it. Continue. No, okay. Check maintenance data for possibility oil reset. Check maintenance data. I'm not sure for that, but at least that one is done. Okay, so escape this one here. Escape again. So we just oil reset, it will help. I'm gonna start here. This thing here is work fine after the first code, if you remember. Right side fuel pump sender unit was not good, it's malfunction, we change it. Skip this. Diagnose. Auto scan, I want to scan the whole car. You see active brake assist malfunction. Blind spot assist currently unavailable. 74%. Okay, let me see what code. Communicate with the intelligent drive faulty message. From the power steering, there is an incorrect signal. This is the only code that I have now. Escape. This is the before signal. You see, this is for that side, you see. So you can go, this is your mouse, mini mouse, and you click OK. Okay, I don't need the radio. Thank you for watching. Now I have those codes. I'm gonna do quick erase. There is one code left on the kilometer. Communication with the intelligent drive faulty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. That one we have to go into another diagnosis and spend some time to get it through. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. We have the blind spot and all this is a different story. This one we changed the sender unit, now it's good.